In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Xero email templates. Whether you're looking to customize your client communications or simply want to adjust the language to better fit your company's style, modifying email templates in Xero is straightforward. Let's dive into the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your starting point for navigating through your account settings. Now, direct your attention to the upper part of the interface, where you'll see your company's name displayed. Clicking on your company name will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll spot the Settings option. Go ahead and select Settings, as this will lead you to a variety of configuration options available for your account. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Email Settings option. Click on it to proceed further. This is the central area where all your company's email templates are stored. Here, you have the opportunity to modify existing templates or create entirely new ones to accommodate different business needs. For instance, you might decide to tweak the language used in your invoice emails, making them more personalized. Or perhaps you wish to adjust the format of the receipts sent to clients, ensuring that they reflect your company's unique style. Next, you'll want to choose the specific template you wish to edit. You'll find a selection of templates suited for various purposes. Simply browse through them and select the one you are interested in customizing by clicking on it. After making your selection, locate the Edit button, which is the key to making changes. By clicking the Edit button, you'll enter the editing section where you have the freedom to modify various components of the email template. Within this editing section, you can change the subject line to make it more engaging, adjust the greeting to provide a warmer touch, or modify the body text to include personalized messages, enhancing the overall communication with your clients. Remember, you have complete control over what you want your emails to communicate. After you've made all the changes you desire, it's crucial to save your work. Be sure to locate the Save button and click on it to ensure all your edits are retained. This will update the template, making it ready for use in future emails. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to edit email templates in Xero. Customizing how you communicate with your clients can significantly impact your business's professionalism and clarity. Taking the time to tailor your emails can make a big impression, showing attentive care to detail. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.